is Pat Liston, and I'm with the Whiteside County State's Attorney's Office, and I represent the people of the state of Illinois in general, but since every county has state's attorneys, more particularly, I represent the people of Whiteside County. And in this particular case, based on the crime that has been alleged, more particularly even yet, I represent Xavier Delgado. You're going to hear testimony from witnesses who are going to take the stand, including, as you all know from the list of witnesses that Judge Hoffman read to you during jury selection, a number of doctors. And some of the testimony is going to be quite graphic and may be hard to listen to. And what I believe you're going to hear is that they discovered in Rockford that in addition to the subdural hematoma, he had bilateral retinal bleeding, which is blood behind the eyes. You're also going to hear testimony, and again, some of this might get kind of graphic and may not be easy to listen to, that he had suffered a large amount of damage to the brain in the form of edema, swelling, and there was also destruction of the brain, parts of it. Unfortunately, you're also going to hear that despite their efforts, after several days, on the 29th, that Xavier passed away. I'm going to tell you, along with another doctor by the name of Raymond Davis, who treated Xavier up in Rockford, that the symptoms that would be produced from the types of injury that he had and the extreme injury he had to his brain, the symptoms would materialize and would be there immediately. And that's how we time the injury to Xavier. We have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant caused the injuries that caused Xavier's death. Now, I didn't question you guys much about it during voir dire because I thought Judge Hoffman did an excellent job. But Mr. Murders asked you about that, and he was right. We have that burden, and it's a burden that we accept. I believe that at the end of the testimony, despite the alternate theories that you may hear as to what caused Xavier Delgado's death, that on September 24th, 2009, while at Patti Mock's house, he was shaken, and that shaking resulted in severe, irreversible damage to his brain that resulted in his death. And after you've heard all of the evidence, we're going to ask you to bring back a verdict of guilty. Thank you very much.